Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an ever-growing field of study that aims to create machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. AI has been a topic of discussion in various fields, including computer science, robotics, economics, and neuroscience. It is a technology that promises to transform our lives in unprecedented ways, but also raises significant ethical concerns. At its core, AI is designed to mimic human intelligence. The ability to think, learn, reason and solve problems are all hallmarks of human intelligence, and these are the areas that AI algorithms seek to reproduce. Through machine learning, deep learning, and other advanced computing techniques, AI is capable of learning from data and adjusting its behavior accordingly. AI is already causing significant disruptions across many industries. For instance, in healthcare, it can aid in diagnosing illnesses, identifying potential treatments, and analyzing medical records at scale. In transportation, AI technology can revolutionize the way we navigate our cities, reducing traffic congestion, and improving driver safety. In finance, it can enable better predictions of financial markets, helping traders make more informed decisions. However, the integration of AI into society also comes with significant ethical considerations. AI systems can amplify existing biases and discrimination, perpetuating societal inequalities. There are also concerns of mass displacement of workers, as machines continue to replace human jobs. Additionally, there are questions around the explainability of AI systems. Can we understand how and why AI algorithms make certain decisions? Despite these concerns, the potential benefits of AI are immense. When used ethically and effectively, AI can empower us to tackle some of the most pressing issues facing humanity, from climate change to healthcare to global poverty. The key to achieving this future is to ensure that the development of AI is guided by a strong ethical framework that values the well-being of all people. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field with a vast potential to solve some of the most challenging problems of our time. However, it is also critical to consider the ethical implications of AI development and deployment to ensure its impact is beneficial for all people. With proper regulation and ethical guidelines, we can build an AI-powered future that is beneficial for humanity.